Have you ever created a cool animated scene with AI, but in the next scene your character suddenly looks different, and the whole vibe of the video is ruined? This is one of the biggest problems in AI animation. But in this video, you're going to learn how to create a professional cartoon animation using completely free tools, while keeping your character consistent from start to finish. This is the animation we're going to create together in this video.
Let's catch one last sound.
I'm here with you.
It's quieter than yesterday.
Your chest feels heavy again.
Where did the echo go?
It's hiding, like your words.
Maybe it's behind this, or behind what you won't say.
Don't look at me like that.
I'm only showing you're feeling.
My hands won't stay still. Because your heart is loud.
I heard it just now.
Yes! It answered you!
If I breathe, it fades.
Breathe with me slow.
It sounds like me. It is you, unspoken. I don't know how to say it. Say it to me first. I feel lonely, a lot.
Thank you for telling me.
It's not fading anymore.
Because you finally spoke.
I've also shared all the prompts in the pinned comment, so you don't need to guess or start from zero. Just copy, paste, and follow along. Step 1. ChatGPT. First, we design the full animation plan. Take the main prompt from the pinned comment and paste it into ChatGPT. In a few seconds, ChatGPT will create the full workflow for you, including a complete story script, detailed character descriptions, text-to-image prompts for each scene, image-to-video prompts with dialogues. Step 2. Gemini. Now let's create the characters and scenes with Gemini. Click on Image Generation and turn on Thinking 3 Pro. Copy the prompts and generate your character images. The important point here is to keep the visual style consistent. For each scene, you create a new image, but the character's appearance stays the same. Even complex characters like animals will come out with good details and emotions. Next, create the scenes. Take the prompt for the first scene from ChatGPT and paste it into Gemini. You'll get a cinematic environment, natural-looking lighting, and characters that stay true to their original design. Repeat this process for all scenes until all 12 scenes are ready. Step 3. Grok. Now upload your images into Grok and paste the image-to-video prompts. The movements will be smooth, facial expressions will look natural, and the lip sync will work well. Do this for all scenes and save all the video clips. Step 4. Final editing. Import all the clips into your favorite editing software. Adjust the audio, add subtitles, and use simple transitions. Add soft background music and a few light sound effects to make your video feel more professional. Keep the pacing fast and cut out any unnecessary pauses. Just like that, without any animation experience, you've created a full animated story using AI and free tools. In the comments, tell me what style of animation you want to create. Cartoon, educational, story-based, or even a series. And if this video gave you ideas, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends so they can create AI animations too.